Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to more of the 2001 Cayley contest. That's the grade 10 level contest made by the fine folks at the University of Waterloo. So, as usual, click the link in the description and you can get a copy of this contest and take a look at all of their contests that they've done. We're up to question number 2 on this particular Cayley paper. So, question 2 says, when 1/4 of 15 is multiplied by 1/3 of 10, the answer is... Okay, so this is a straightforward multiplication. We can either grab our calculator and work it out, although most calculators, this one I don't think does, most calculators won't spit out the answer as a fraction, and I notice all the answers here are fractions. We'd get a decimal. So never fear, you can just take a look at each of the potential answers and divide the fraction out and get on your calculator and get a decimal and see which one matches. Or you might be lucky enough, I remember one of my old Texas Instrument ones would give out the actual, it wasn't a graphing one either, but it would give out a fraction as the answer if you put in fractions. Or what we can do is we can, and this is what I'm going to do because I want to write something down in my notepad, we can actually do fractions and multiply fractions. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. So we have 1/4 of 15. 1/4 of 15 multiplied by 1/3 of 10. Well, 1/4 of 15 is just 15 over 4 times 1/3 of 10. And when we multiply fractions, we don't need a common denominator or anything. We just multiply top and bottom. So 15 times 10 over 4 times 3. So that's 150 over 12, and I don't think that quite divides. Yeah, we're gonna get a 2 on top and bottom. So 150 over 12, we can get a 2 here, and a 2 here. We'll be left with 75 and 6. And each of those has a factor of 3. So we'll be left with 25 over 2, I believe. And that was one of the answers, I think. Yeah, 25 over 2, so that was B. Just like the first question. Alright, so that was the question number 2 on the 2001 Cayley, and in the next video we're going to go through question number 3, so join me for that.